I want to show you how you can convert your static image into a video. You see, in this 2026, you have no reason not to create video content. So if you have static image, this video will show you how you can take it from being just a static image into a video. Let me show you how. So this is my Chrome homepage. I'll click on this icon here. Search for this tool called Vids. It's a Google tool. It's a free Google tool for video creation. So this is the interface. I'm going to select the aspect ratio I want. I want this video as portrait. So I'm going to choose portrait and then click blank video. All right, this is the editor. The next thing I'm going to do is to bring in my picture here. To go to uploads here to select my video, my image, the image I want to use. So I'll scroll down to find the image. So this is the image. I'll click on it and then close this. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on this button here that says convert to video. Click on the button and then I can see this interface where I'll enter what I want the picture to do. Whatever I want the picture to do, that's what I'm going to describe here. So I'm just going to type, I want this image to say these words. Hello, how are you today? My name is Blessing and I build systems that replace stress with structure. I'm going to put it in quotes. All right, this is just what I wanted to say. I'm going to go ahead and click on generate. My video, instead of replacing, because if I click on this replace, what will happen is that it will crop this video. I don't want it cropped, so I'm just going to insert it. Once inserted, I'll be able to remove the image behind it. Just bring it a little down and then remove the image we added earlier and then move our video back. So this is our video. I'm going to play it so you see how it sounds. Usually when you use Google View 3.1 model to create video, it is usually 8 seconds long. You can, if you want it extended, you can add more scenes, add a scene and then, use the same method I used in creating the first video to create another video, just like that. You can use the same image, you can add a different image, generate as much as you want. I think there's a limit. I don't know the limit, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to limit it to one scene. So let me delete this one. So this is how you can just convert any image at all to a video. Just give it a prompt, what you want it to say, what you want it to say, how you want it to explain, just a detail or a description of what you want the picture to do. And Google will generate it. Google Vids will generate it for you. It is that simple.
Hello, how are you today? My name is Blessing, and I build systems that replace stress with structure.
I hope you found this tutorial valuable. If you want a full tutorial on Google Vids, just comment tutorial in the comment section and I will do a tutorial, a full tutorial, a comprehensive tutorial on Google Vids. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye.